Starting an online business is tough, and mastering ClickFunnels can be even tougher. It can be very overwhelming at times, especially in the beginning. You might be wondering where to start or what kind of funnel to use for your business. Maybe you want to sell your physical or digital products, run an ad agency, or collect more real estate leads. ClickFunnels can be used for so many different things that it's almost more confusing than helpful until you figure out how it best serves your business. Nowadays, a common question is where to find the best ClickFunnels training? Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels have answered that question once and for all with the One Funnel Away Challenge. I recently took the training, so in this One Funnel Away Challenge review, I will cover what all is included and how it can help you jumpstart your business. The challenge is a complete A to Z training that guides you step by step on how to create your first funnel. It's designed to force entrepreneurs to stop working on stuff that doesn't matter and start implementing the key tasks that will get your funnel live and your business flowing. In 30 days, you'll have a funnel that is built and live, and ready to gather leads and sales. The training is done from 3 coaches: Russell Brunson, Julie Stoyan, and Stephen Larson. You more than likely already know that Russell is the co-founder and face of ClickFunnels. He teaches you the strategy behind building a funnel and what makes it so powerful. Julie, the second coach and 7-figure entrepreneur, shows you exactly how to implement what Russell is teaching and create it inside of ClickFunnels for yourself. Finally, Stephen operates the group and keeps everyone accountable each and every day. He does live calls and is full of good energy. Each day is a new task. The training is designed to build upon each other every day and is broken into 5 weeks. Here's what you will learn. In pre-training week, you will be given mindset training so that you actually believe that you can build a profitable funnel. In week 1, it's all about creating great offers. No matter how good your funnel is, you need a good product if you want to be able to sell it. In week 2, you will learn the strategy behind the funnel, e.g., telling the right stories to grab attention. In week 3, you will build the funnel itself. In week 4, you will learn how to run traffic to your funnel. If you join the One Funnel Away Challenge, you'll also get a kit of exclusive bonuses, which includes the 550-page 30 Days book, the OFA workbook, the OFA MP3 player with preloaded funnel training, and more. The 30 Days book is a giant 550-page hardcover book which covers a 30-day battle plan to get your business back on track if you suddenly lose everything. It is an interview series from famous entrepreneurs where each of them share their own plan of what would they do if they would only have an internet connection, and a ClickFunnels account for only 1 month. You'll get the strategies you need from the summit videos, but in the behind-the-scenes interviews you'll learn even more. They will provide you with the exact sales funnel they used to make their millions, and you can use them too. You'll also get a physical One Funnel Away Challenge workbook that you can use to complement the 30 days of trainings. Inside you'll find pages that correspond to each day of the challenge. Inside, this MP3 player has all of the recordings that you need throughout your journey. You'll get Russell's training and Stephen's recordings from previous challenges in a simple and easy-to-use device. With the MP3 player, you're not confined to a desk but can listen wherever you are. Whether that's at the gym building your body or out getting the groceries. Having the ability to listen and learn, while on the go, cannot be understated, and being able to multitask is a godsend. One Funnel Away Challenge has 2 pricing options. One is physical only, which has a fixed price of $100, and another is physical and digital, which cost $100 plus $19.99 shipping in the US or $29.99 outside the US. In the physical version, you'll get a hard copy of 30 Days book, a spiral-bound workbook, and MP3 player with audios of 51 course modules included. Meanwhile, in the digital-only version, you'll get everything in the digital format only. If for any reason you don't like the One Funnel Away Challenge, you can get a full refund back, no question asked. It's very easy to get your money back as it is just a few presses of the button. To get a refund, you will need to go through customer support first, but you can be sure you are secured with this guarantee. This challenge is best suited for you if you're in a dead-end job which you hate, and you want to start your own online business or start working from your home. You're an online marketer, and searching for recurring residual income opportunities without creating your products or services. You're just getting started, and have no clue where to begin. You're business owners with your own company, however, are stuck, and you're confused why. You're racking your brains on the way to reach more and more people, or have a more substantial impact on the world? You're believing that you need a sales funnel, however, not sure where or how to start? You like to get your funnel live within the next 30 days to grow up your business. You're planning to launch your next funnel, and want to ensure it's a considerable success. The One Funnel Away Challenge works regardless of the industry you are already in and even if you do not have a product to sell. The best part is that the One Funnel Away Challenge has been designed for the beginner. You can start from the ground up with just an idea, then eventually crafting the perfect offer as you go through the challenge. Even if you have no idea at all, it will walk you through everything you need to with clearly defined and actionable steps along the way. Not to mention you will receive 30 detailed action plans from experts in all different industries. If you found one that match your skill sets, then just start executing. This challenge is not for you. If you're not willing to do the work, you don't follow the instructions correctly, you are blame pusher. You are not open to learning new things. You are not willing to step outside your comfort zone. The pros and cons of One Funnel Away Challenge. The OFA Challenge is the ultimate motivational tool for creating your first or next funnel. It's hosted by Russell Brunson, one of the world's leading digital marketers, innovator behind Clickfunnels. Seven-figure entrepreneur Julie Stoyan shows you how to implement Russell's killer marketing strategies. It's only $100. That's a steal considering everything that's included. The course takes you step by step through the entire process for creating a high-converting offer. Build your funnel with strategies that Russell himself used. Bond with the funnel hacker community and other OFA participants for another layer of accountability. Have as much fun possible creating while creating your funnel. Russell has done everything he can to gamify the process so that you feel like you're on an epic mission, except that instead of earning points and badges, earning stacks of money. The cons of One Funnel Away Challenge. It's impossible to do the course at your own pace. The whole point is to take action right now. If you decide to put off a few training days for the weekend, you're going to fall behind and fail miserably. Harsh but true. This course requires a lot of time for a short, finite period of your life, a little over 30 days. In the end though, it should pay you back tenfold. The OFA Challenge does not come with lifetime access. The video lessons do expire after the 30 days, so I recommend you plan accordingly before purchasing the challenge. The One Funnel Away Challenge is the perfect training for anyone who wants to sell their product online. It is also great if you do not have your own product, as you can implement the trainings to sell affiliate products as well. I currently do not have my own physical or digital product, and the OFA Challenge has been a tremendous learning experience for me. You can immediately take what you learn and apply it to your business. That's what makes it so valuable of a training course. Join the One Funnel Away Challenge after you watch the review and start yourself on the journey. Click the link in the description and claim my irresistible bonuses.